Hi, this is Kurt Hildreth. I'm the Eastern Region Manager for Plockmatic. I'm here at our dealer representative in the Washington, D.C. area at Metro Mail Services. I'm just giving you an overview right now of the Plockmatic system that we will be showing you the recommendations for the materials that we received from Bob Stimson at Ricoh. Alright, again, this is what we've received right now, and I hope you can hear over the server that's nearby. But to the left, to the right is, I'll call it the identification page, introduction letter, position page, tips, and of course a Google map. We understand this could be all variable, and over here is where we place the brochure in the booklet feeder. Okay, so I'll come right back with the next video to show the run. Okay, I'm back at the system, and I just want to show you what we've loaded up. Now again, we don't have too much sampling. I've held some other materials to show other configurations, but again, the brochure goes face down, leading edge into the booklet feeder. Then you'll notice that we have a 6-station tower system, A, B, C, D, E, F, and we call G the booklet feeding area. Material has to be face down. This is your letter of introduction, and I'll pull quickly. Alright, so that is on C, and that'll be followed by position. And then we have tips right here, and we'll call it Google Map. All face down. And I'm going to do a test run. Make sure everything is set properly. Alright, and later on I might run some blank sheets just to give you some more depth of production. So you come to the unit. Recommend the control system, and this verifies the run that I just talked about. We do a sample run for the system. I'm using the Plockmatic envelopes. I think it'd be a lot more economical than the self-seals. I'll explain that a little bit later. But again, in the contents, this is the way that I understand the way the recipient would like to get the material. Sorry for me doing the one-handed job here. But there it is, coming from the back side of the envelope. Letter, position, information tips, and Google Map, and brochure. As you can see, it's all in the proper order of appearing from the back side of the envelope. Okay, now we're ready to set up the run. As we've already done the test sample, hit the green to go, and let the materials start flowing through the system. We don't have the sealer on, but again, this is just showing the materials, how it goes through the system. An average of 1356 per hour on auto speed. Okay, this is Kurt again, and the other option that you can do off the Plockmatic PL4000 is to use OMR. Now this particular unit doesn't have the OMR camera set up, but that would be, I'm going to demonstrate this, as you can see in the brochure. This would be from your top bin, okay, and this is where we do the accumulation. It could be a variable by OMR, 4, 6, 8 sheets, whatever. I got this on a preset for 4 sheets. Now what has to happen is, by this example, is you need to do reverse print. So in the stack you got last page, third page, second page, first page, repeated by last page. So that would all go together, and basically you just gather the materials and you will flip them over like so into the unit. I'm going to come right back and stack that for you. Okay, on the screen we've set up the job to be the first bin to do the accumulation of 4-page count, picking up the catalog out of the G bin. Alright, again, just to reiterate, face down and reverse print. Okay, and I will double check to make sure I got it right myself. Okay, that's why I have a test button right here. And this is calibration for the first test, and we'll see if we got it right. Okay. Okay, there you go. Live. That's reverse print, but coming into the document is page 1, 2, 3, 4, and the booklet. Okay? So again, let's do a little run on the system and see what kind of speed we get. Okay, here comes the run for the reverse print into the envelope. Again, I have no sealing on, so I get easily to the contents. Once the machine starts going in auto speed, we'll see what kind of speed we have. And I'm registering about anywhere from 900. It kind of fluctuates. We'll say about 1200. It's 1297. But again, what's happening is that you have 4 sheet count here, plus the booklet coming down here on the bottom. Alright, this last video, I'm going to just let you know, here is the envelope that was sent. Now this has the sticky back. The machine will not seal the flap, but it will let the let the envelope stay in position, just as we're demonstrating on our own envelopes with the flap open. Okay, so let me just run some material, and we'll see how this all works for you. Again, this is going to be the 4-page count coming out of the system into the customer's own envelopes.